Hello there, I am John Lina Lagales from BSIT1E, and in this video I will present to you a branch of discrete mathematics that deals with the studies of relationship between objects, wherein a graph is consist of vertices or nodes and also edges, and vertices represent as the location or the object itself, while the edges represent as the connections between these different objects. So this presentation applies to the concept of a graph theory to model a simple university campus pathway network, wherein it demonstrates how different locations can be represented and connected through vertices and edges. Again, in this graph, each campus facility is represented as the vertex, while each pathway between a campus facility is represented as the edge. So, as you can see in this graph, the classroom is connected to the library, and the library is connected to the cafeteria, and the cafeteria itself is connected into the classroom, and the classroom again is connected to the registrar, and the registrar is connected to the gym, going again to the cafeteria. So basically, it shows how students can move between different locations on a campus. So for example, is a student wants to go to the library. So you will follow the shortest pathway, or rather the edges, and from this vertex, from the vertex D going to A, and next is going to B, wherein you can go to the library. So in conclusion, using a graph theory makes it a lot easier to visualize pathways and understand how locations are connected within a system.